Hello students, we are going to do the last problem in this exercise 3.3. This is also a word problem, page number 54. There are two names are given. One is Jacob, another is Jacob's son. Jacob is father, okay, and his son is given, comparison. Now, the question goes, 5 years hence. There are two cases are there. Case 1, 5 years hence. Hence means what? Later. Okay. That means after 5 years. That means after 5 years. Okay. Now, first what we will do, before we go after 5 years, first let us fix what are the two variables. Let Jacob's son's age be X and let Jacob's age be Y. First we should fix these two things. Because Jacob's son is younger, so it is, let us take it as X and Jacob's, that means the father's age be Y. These are the two variables. Now, after 5 years, what will be the age of Jacob's son? After 5 years, right? Age of Jacob's son is how much? X plus 5. And what will be the age of Jacob himself? Of Jacob is equal to Y plus 5. Yes, first part. It is said that after 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. The word is 3 times that of his son. Whose age will be 3 times that of his son? Jacob's age. You see, Jacob's age is Y plus 5. That will be equal to 3 times that of his son. That is X plus 5. Because we are assumed X as the Jacob's son's age and Y as the father Jacob's age. Do you find this the equation? Right. Let us solve it. Simplify. Y plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 15. Or we can say Y minus 3x. Let us bring it this side. That is equal to 15 minus 5. That is equal to 10. That is Y minus 3x is equal to 10. This is the first linear equation. Now, we move further, right? 5 years ago. This is the second part of the problem. 5 years ago. Ago means what? Before the age. That means 5 years before. You look at the age of this people, right? Now, what will be the age of Jacob? Age of Jacob's son will be 5 years before. That is minus 5. So, X minus 5. Second, what will be the age of son? Age of Jacob himself? Age of Jacob will be Y minus 5. Are you clear? There are two things are there. One is hence or after, that is plus 5, and before that age ago, before you put it, minus 5. But age of the son is X, age of the father is Y. Okay. Now, what is he stating here? At that time, Jacob's age. What is Jacob's age now? Y minus 5 is equal to, before 5 years, fine, that will be equal to 7 times that of his son. What was his son's age? X minus 5, before 5 years, right? So, we expanded, Y minus 5 is equal to 7x minus 35, or Y minus 7x is equal to minus 35 plus 5. That is Y minus 7x is equal to minus 30. You see what's happening? I have substituted the values now. So I have compared father with that of the son before 5 years. That is 7 times the value is. So once I have taken all this thing, I call this as equation number 2. Now we need to solve it, right? This is nothing but linear equation. So let me erase everything. Jacob is the father and his age is, we have taken as y. That is Jacob, who is the father, okay, his age we have taken as y. Next, Jacob's son, okay, that we have taken as x. Okay, so 5 years before I have taken the value, 5 years after I have taken the value, and I formed 2 equations. So first equation is y minus 3x is equal to 10, equation number 1. So let me erase all these things, because once I have formed the equation, I don't need all these things. And second equation is y minus 7x is equal to minus 30, equation number 2. So let me erase this part also in totality. Okay, fine. Now we are going to use substitution method. Substitution method. Right, this is the last problem using substitution method in the NCERT textbook. Right, from here, from equation 1, y is minus 3x is equal to 10, which implies y is equal to 10 plus 3x. Okay, take this value and substitute it here. From equation 2, y minus 7x is equal to minus 30. What is the y value here? We have to put here 10 plus 3x minus 7x is equal to minus 30. Right? That is 3x minus 7x, that is minus 4x is equal to. Minus 4x is equal to minus 30 plus 10 goes that side, minus 10. That is minus 4x is equal to minus 40. Negative sign goes. So you have 4x is equal to 40, or x is equal to 40 by 4, or x is equal to 10. Okay, now we have calculated the value of x. What is the value of x? X is actually represents Jacob's son age. Now we found Jacob's son's age is 10 years. He is 10 years old. Now we need to calculate the father's age. We will take this equation, y is equal to 10 plus 3x. That is 10 plus 3 into x is 10. That is 10 plus 30. That is equal to 40, or y is equal to 40. Now what is y? That is father's age, that is Jacob's age, that is 40 years. Okay, you understand now? One is we calculate, always take the smaller value here, son's age as x and father's age to be y, and then we calculated it, and it's a little bit, it will take time, you practice it more and more, then you will be able to find out the x value and the y value. X value stands for the Jacob's son, that is 10 years, and y value stands for Jacob, that is father's age, which is 40 years. So this is the end of the exercise 3.3. See you in the next video with the next exercise. Thank you so much.